The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is here to redefine aerial creativity. Packed with a triple-lens flagship camera system, this drone isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Imagine capturing 100MP Hasselblad shots, 6K HDR video, and telephoto masterpieces all while flying for 51 minutes on a single charge. And hey, if you're as pumped as I am about cutting-edge gear, smash that subscribe button and hit like, it fuels the channel. Let's dive into the star of the show, the triple camera setup. The 100MP Hasselblad main camera rocks a massive 4/3 CMOS sensor, delivering insane detail with 6K per 60 frames per second HDR video. But wait, there's more. Two additional tele-lenses, 48MP and 50MP, give you 70mm and 168mm focal lengths for compressed landscapes or hyper-detailed close-ups. Dual native ISO fusion ensures crisp shots in any light, while raw stacking and free panoramas let you flex your editing muscles. Ever wished your drone could move like a Hollywood camera rig? Meet the Infinity Gimbal. This beast rotates 360 degrees, letting you pull off gravity-defying Dutch angles or smooth upward shots to frame skyscrapers and mountain peaks. Pair that with Active Track 360-degree, now upgraded to lock onto vehicles 200 meters away, even in twilight, and you've got cinematic tracking that laughs at obstacles. Safety's no joke here. 6 low-light fisheye sensors and LiDAR give the Mavic 4 Pro 0.1 lux night vision, meaning it dodges trees and bridges in near darkness. No GPS? No problem. Its vision system handles return-to-home missions even when satellites tap out. Fly through city canyons or dense forests, this drone's got your back. Stamina matters. With 51 minutes of airtime and a top speed of 90 km per hour, the Mavic 4 Pro outlasts its predecessors. The O4 Plus transmission system beams 10-bit HDR footage up to 30 km away, staying rock solid in interference-heavy urban zones. Plus, the RC Pro 2 controller's 7-inch rotatable screen? Chef's kiss for on-location tweaks. Unfold the arms and you're powered up, no buttons, no fuss. The 240W charger juices 3 batteries in 90 minutes flat, or use the hub as a 100W power bank for your laptop. Storage? The Creator Combo packs 512GB of lightning-fast UFS storage, handling 4:2:2 all-eye footage without breaking a sweat. Transfer 100MP RAWs wirelessly at 80 MB per second via Wi-Fi 6, no cables needed. DJI didn't skimp on the details. The adjustable f/2.0 f/11 aperture creates buttery bokeh or starburst sun flares on demand. Nightscape mode turns cityscapes into neon paintings, while 4K per 120 frames per second slow-mo captures every droplet in a waterfall. This isn't just a drone, it's a film studio in the sky. Choose your combo wisely. The Fly More pack includes extra batteries and ND filters, but creators will crave the 512GB Creator Combo with its Pro Remote and parallel charging hub. Need to shoot dawn to dusk? The Power 1000 portable station keeps everything juiced because downtime is for amateurs. Let's talk numbers. Compared to the Air 3S and Mavic 3 Pro, this drone charges 3 batteries twice as fast, flies 41 kilometers on a single battery, and shaves 20 minutes off charging times. When every second counts, the Mavic 4 Pro isn't just better, it's in a league of its own. Ready to elevate your content game? The DJI Mavic 4 Pro isn't just a tool, it's your next creative breakthrough. Hit subscribe if you're geeking out over this tech, drop a like to support the channel, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd shoot with this beast?